guys, my name is Sakina. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. So from the title of this video, you've probably seen that I'm going to be talking about Friends, and this is really different from my kind of channels. I usually do videos about books and all, but after watching the reunion, it was like a month ago, and I knew that I needed to make this video because Friends has literally taught me the things that I'll take to my grave. It has taught me what is love is, what is friendship is, and trust. So many things that I can't even name. And I watched this show, it was on lockdown, so it was kind of a really low phase of my life, and I just decided to make this video. It was very different from my kind of genre, but after watching the reunion, I just knew that I wanted to make this video and needed to, because no matter how uncomfortable I felt, because this is my 7th take of this video. So many things that I wanted to say, but I'm not being able to say, but I just decided to keep this video really short. Anyway, besides that, Friends is the show that I really love, and I knew that this video has to be on my channel because, oh my god, I love this show, and I don't think there is one day when I go without watching this show. While having my meals, I always open my laptop and I will watch Friends with family, with my brother, and it's just amazing. And yeah, again I'm saying this after watching the reunion. I knew that what this show meant to me, but I didn't know what this show meant to people. Of course, it's been watched by millions of people around the world, so it has to be some reason, behind it, because why millions of people have watched it. And yeah, I guess that is why I wanted to talk about this show, because it is something that I love, and I knew that this video should be on my channel. So yeah, I guess this was the intro. Yeah, now comes the real point. So I don't know, man, what this video is going to be about. Script वगैरह नहीं लिखी, to be honest. I watched this show, like I said, it was on lockdowns, and Friends is something that when I'm having the crappiest day of my life now, I would open my laptop and I would watch Friends, and there is something about Friends that will make you feel like everything is fine and everything is back in order, and it is really magic. Watching Friends is the feeling that you forget about all of your worries, and I don't think there is anyone in this world like जिसने Friends देखा और हंसी ना आई है, because Friends will never ever fail to make you laugh, and there are so many stories behind this. And I also read a story on Instagram of this lady who was diagnosed with cancer, and 2 years she was in hospital, and every day she used to watch this show called Friends, and every day she used to laugh, and Friends is what that got her through with it, and she is alive and she is living her life happily. So yeah, I guess now you know what this show means to people, and there are so many thousands and lakhs and millions of stories like me, because when I have the crappiest day of my life, I have nothing to do. I'll like cry listening to 13 Reasons Why songs, but then I'll also open my laptop and I'll watch Friends, and it will just make me feel like it's okay, everything is fine, you can just laugh, and it's just some kind of comfort zone for a lot of people. For me, like, I have so many fantasies and so many dreams related to Friends, like my future partner and me watching Friends, when like I'm kind of an introvert, so I don't like going out, and also I want my partner to be like at home and order a pizza or something and just watch Friends. It would be the best thing for me. I don't want anything, not fancy clubbings, not night outs and all. I just want that kind of thing, and it will make me so happy. I know that it will make me the happiest. And also the stories, there are so many stories of people who live alone. I actually read it because I knew Friends means a lot to people, and before making this video I wanted to just research or something like that, so I did it. So therapists and psychologists have said that there are so many people who live alone in cities and all, and they come home sometimes feeling low or feeling lost or something like that, and they'll just order something else, they'll watch Friends, and they sleep while watching Friends, and I know that it's not just me, मेरा ही comfort zone नहीं है ये, बहुत सारे लोगों का, like millions of people, सबका है यार. I mean, Friends is just some kind of magic. No one can ever deny that Friends does not exist of magic, because it is magic. It will make you forget about everything, like for a while, not is like पूरा ही भूल जाओ, but for a little while and just like enjoy your life. And the 6 characters, Monica, Rachel, Ross, Phoebe, Joey and Chandler, they have the beautiful chemistry. These 6 characters, you know, I don't even want to say that they are characters because they are my life, but I need to, because of course I'm like making this video. So yeah, these 6 people are my favorite and I can't choose between them. They all have taught me great things, and especially I wanted to talk about Phoebe. In this video मेरे को हर एक कैरेक्टर के बारे में बात करना था, but I don't think it is possible because I'm getting really nervous. I'm forgetting all of my lines, so I can't do that. But talking about Phoebe, so Phoebe is this character who is seriously the weirdest person you'll ever find in history of sitcoms. She is the quirkiest, weirdest person, but she's my favorite, and I can't say this enough that she's my favorite. It was really hard to choose because they all are my favorite, but Phoebe just taught me the thing that I don't think anyone would have ever taught me, and she taught me to be myself. Because Phoebe is the character who is not afraid of anyone, who is always herself. She's never faking, and when I say na, she doesn't think about anyone, what people think about her, it is true. Because in the starting seasons, Phoebe was actually singing at the Central Park Cafe, which is going to be your favorite spot, and मेरा सपना है कि मैं वहाँ पे जाके फोटो खिंचवाऊँ. But other than that, Phoebe always sings Smelly Cat, which is one of my favorite songs, and I guess that makes me weird too. Yeah, it's my favorite song, dude. Okay, so Phoebe actually kind of sings really funky and all, and people laugh at her, but she literally doesn't care. She picks up her guitar and she walks up to the stage and she'll just sing, and she'll sing amazingly. But like just imagine if one of you are there, like हम में से कोई होता तो हम लोग कितना सोचते ना कि सामने वाला हमारे बारे में कितना सोचेगा, like what will he think about me, what will they say about me. So that is what like Phoebe taught me, and I just wanted to share that because it is a huge part of me now. Like kind of as a teenager it is hard for me to be myself, but I always try to, like not always, but I really try to, because Phoebe has taught me that thing, you know. And yeah, I guess I am emotionally connected to this show. Everyone is, millions of people are, and I just needed to make this video, and I don't even know if I'm going to upload it or not, but this is one of my best shots because like I'm saying, it has been like taken 7 times, but this video is actually cool. I liked it. Anyway, there are so many things that I want to say. Chandler and Monica are my favorite couples because Monica is someone I relate to her, like not a lot, but she has taught me a lot of things. Everyone has taught me, but I relate the most to Phoebe and Monica. Okay, so Monica is like a freak, and I am also kind of like her. Chandler was this person who was really like afraid of relationships and all, but when they hooked up, it was not like something you could see a future in it, but Monica just changed him entirely, and in the 10th season he is going to be your favorite, you know. There is some scene in the adoption, like I'm not going to release any spoilers, but there was this scene where you will just fall in love with Chandler and you will see his growth. You will literally see his growth. I personally cried on that scene because I just couldn't believe that that is Chandler. How could he be so wild? He's a sarcasm king and I love him. I just love him. But other than that, he was really immature and he didn't know a thing about relationships and all. But Monica she transformed him, and when I say transform, I literally mean it. And it is my ideal relationship. Chandler and Monica, they are my favorite couples and they are always going to be. So yeah, I guess thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and yeah, I guess please stay safe, and thank you so much for watching this video.